All right, boom. 2 December 2023. I got new OBS installed on the Mac, so let's hope. Oh, I want to blast this out. New OBS installed on the Mac. Hopefully it won't stutter. I'm just doing this as an experiment. I think right now the goal is let's. I was going to do a. Oh my God, this mic's blasting. Hold on. Yeah, I think today, this stream, this video, we're going to go through a NiceHash OS installation and see if we can run one of these CPU Ryzen 9 3900 rigs on a NiceHash OS and see what the difference is. My big concern there is the Ryzen Master. I don't know. I do set that right now, as you saw in an earlier video. I run Ryzen Master to set the voltage lower, to keep the temps lower, but pretty much kept the same hash rate. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that on NiceHash OS, but we'll see. We'll see if we just get up and running and see how it goes. All right, for historical purposes, 2 December 2023, we are looking at, we're at 105.27. And let me see what the current Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is at 38. Oh my God, 38,800, baby, up 1,000 from last night. Oh my God, this thing might take off. I don't know. I'm not one of those guys to the moon, all that crap. But it just seems to be trending up, and it all started with that BlackRock EFT stuff. So I don't know. We'll see. And BlackRock owns the world, so if they get what they want, which they probably will, this might go really well. But it could always go to zero. It can always go to zero. All right, so here we are today, 105.27 so far, a little over a week of mining. Now we got 13 bucks a day estimated, but again, that does fluctuate. And of course, these are my Satoshis, my Bitcoin. That 105 value changes hourly, whatever the the Bitcoin spot price is affecting my total right here. So you really just want to go by how much Bitcoin have you received on NiceHash by mining the old random X Monero algorithm. Quick summary going down. You can see my new temperatures. Green is good. Yellow is the 3950. I'm not messing with that one. I'm fine with that temperature. And everything else is around 60 degrees Celsius. I wish it was, I guess I could change that to Fahrenheit, but you know, we're America, and we don't understand the metric system. So, yeah. All right. So everything's about 12 kilohash a second. 3950 is at 14.28. All right, what are we doing? I did that. So let's pick a rig here. I was going to use number 9. So what I did is you got to have a USB drive first. See that little picture right there? Can you see that? Can you see that? Someone holding a little USB drive. So I got one of those in the CPU rig number 9. And what I am going to do, it's a USB drive I cannot format in Windows. And I tried the disk utility thing. Is this thing it? Yeah, this thing. And there's my memory stick, 28.64. I just have a hell of a time with this thing, but it won't let me format it. It's saying trying to assign a volume letter to the drive, but it won't let me. So let's get out of this thing. Let's exit. Blammo. So that was disk management. I'm going to do it the old school way. I love command line. So let's bring up a command prompt. Click down here, right click. I'll just run it as admin, what the hell. All right. And they have a little tool in Windows called disk part, not disk fart, but disk part. All right. Go ahead and do disk part. We're doing this together. I haven't gone through this at all yet, so it could be a total failure. That's how you learn. All right, I'm in disk partition, list disk, and I want disk number 1, which is online at 28 gigabytes. I'm going to select disk, select Disk 1. Blammo. Clean. Make sure you got the right disk before you do this. Do not do your bootable disk. That'd be a bad day. Disk number 1, 28 gigs. That's the memory stick. Clean. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, man. I can't. What is wrong with this stupid disk? Let's try the format. Oh, my God. I thought this would do it. I thought the command line option would make this bastard work. Fat. 3.2. Quick. Format. Up arrow. Ah, you bastard. So let's do the clean again. I don't know what's going on with that. Let's go to the Explorer. It doesn't even show up. There's a problem with that stupid memory stick. I mean, let's go to disk. Mark it as active. It hates this thing, man. Change drive letter and path. I tried all this crap. Look at that. Hates it all, baby. It hates it all. Ooh, what if I delete the volume? I tried format watch. Same thing. Please try to online the volume by assigning a drive letter or path to the volume first. Okay, I tried assigning a letter. Negative. Properties. Ooh, let's see what happens. Nothing. I don't know if I crashed it. All right. Deleting the volume will erase all data in it. Back up any data. Okay, I want to make sure I did the right one. Delete simple volume. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. This thing hates me. Oh my God. All right, I cannot do anything with this thing from this tool. Mark it as active, which is what they're saying, because it's not active. What is holding this up? Format. I did all this crap. Change drive letter. It hates this thing. All right, you know what? Screw it. Waste too much time. I'm just going to pop that out and find another one. Stand by. Ooh. All right, let's format it. All right. Ooh. Is that all it's got? All right, quick format it. Oh, wait a minute. I'm just going to close it real quick. I always want to make sure it's what is on this thing. G. All right. All right. Close that. Let's go to that disk formatter again. Create. Oh my God, look at all the crap on this thing. I don't like any of this stuff. So disk 1 is my 2864. Let's go back. Alright, let's go. List disk. I want disk number 1. I'm just doing up arrow, because I don't want to type it. I'm too lazy to retype this. Blammo. Select disk. Let's go to the text. Oh crap, where's my Chrome? It's right in front of my face. There it is. And I bring my command prompt up. Alright. Oh, we did a select disk, right? List disk, select disk. We'll select disk 1. And let's do a clean. See if this works. Select disk 1 is 28 gigabytes. That's right. Clean. All right. That's interesting. And let's look for that format command. All right, fs fat32 quick. It's just like doing that pop-up where I format it's just command line. Blammo! Oh, shit. Number 1. Right. What do you mean selective volume? Come on. Blue place fat, format, assign letter equals. All right. I feel really stupid now. You expect shit to work. Oh my god. All right, hold on. Get rid of that. Get some of these damn windows out of here. So now it's not even showing up. Boom. Let's open this. Yeah, let's go to that disk tool real quick. So it is D. Okay, all right. Ugh. Come on, Big Daddy. All right. Why is it unknown capacity? D, right? Let's try it. I have such problems with this shit. Oh my god. All right. I lost D. I'm going to do this. I'm going to pop that thing out. I just did. Oh man, did I screw this up? Alright, I'm just going to make a new volume. Let's see what happens. Oh, now it's volume E. And it might be ready. Oh, dear God. Alright, so now I got a new volume E. Let's see if this... I probably should have made it fat instead of NTFS. Who knows? Let's go back to Chrome. Alright, assign letter. I did that. Okay. And I can actually see it now, right? Come on, Big Daddy. New volume E. Yep, alright. Alright, I just need to assign a volume. And what it looks like right now, all 28 gigabytes is NTFS. Hope that's correct. If not, I'll have to reformat it as FAT. All right, let's get rid of that. Close that. All right, what am I doing? I don't need that. Let's go to NiceHash. Let's get rocking here. Blammo. All right. I am logged into the NiceHash dashboard page. I'm going to go to mining. And over here on the right, I am going to select download miner or add ASIC. And here you go. Here's your options. This is what I'm currently running on Windows, NiceHash Miner. It's running on Windows 10. You can run the Quick Miner. You can run the NiceHash OS, which is what we're going to try. Advanced Linux-based mining operating system. It's for dedicated mining rigs and mining farms. Okay. I'm digging it. Click. Oh my gosh. Oh, I didn't know they had it for Mac. They got it for Linux. Oh, what the hell? They got it for Windows. We recommend you download it NiceHash OS Flash Tool. Oh, this is the Flash Tool. All right. This tool helps you create a bootable flash drive with the latest NiceHash OS version. Okay, so you need to get the flash tool first. I'm running on Windows 10. Let's get it for Windows 10. You can probably just download the image. Interesting. Let's just go. Let's just do the process. There's the mining address. Blammo. I'm waiting for it to download, I guess, right? There's a user guide. Oh, there we go. Wait, no. All right. It didn't even tell me it downloaded. All right. So we have the NiceHash flash tool. Blammo. Let it rip. Yeah, when you're doing this crap, do it on your rigs. Do not do it on your personal PC with all your good stuff, your own personal information. Do it on a rig, because you can always pull the thing out of the wall or pull the Ethernet cable out in case things go crazy. All right. All right, let's watch this together. Pretty exciting. So I had one hiccup so far with a bad USB. I just couldn't get the format. We got one eventually formatted with a did a volume, and then formatted it, added a volume, good to go. And now we're in the process of downloading the NiceHash. Well, we got the flash tool set up. We're installing it, and then we're going to flash the image to the USB drive, and then use that image on the USB drive to boot up the rig into NiceHash OS and see what happens. It's going to be magical. Is that a word? It's going to be magical. What's going on here, Big Daddy? Here's Windows USB. That's why I make my Windows flashes. That's Ryzen Master. Okay, what are we doing, Big? Where are you at? Alright, I don't need this up. I'll just minimize it. I don't need this command tool up. Let's get out of that. Just in case I type clean by mistake. And let's go pause this guy. This is running right now. 56 Celsius. This is NiceHash miner currently running on this rig. Let's just get rid of this for now. Blammo, you are done. Where did it put the miner, dude? The flash tool. Alright, I don't know where it's at. Jeez. That's the miner. Where'd the flash tool go? What is happening? Alright. Oh, there it is. Damn, I'm stuck on the... It doesn't even tell you. Maybe it did. I wasn't paying attention. Alright. NiceHash OS flash tool on the shortcut on the desktop. Let's hope this works. And our drive again is E, volume E. E for Echo. Here we go. Select USB flash drive and image version. Alright, USB device, that's it. And then there's the version. Fetch your address, because you do have a wallet address. When you create your NiceHash account, you get a wallet address, and that's the wallet you see when you're mining. This little puppy right here. Blammo. That's your wallet you're going to paste into the miner. All right, let's go back. I lost my place. Number 9. Oh, I'm going to try to paste this. This is going to... Oh, wait a minute. Oh, look at that. Ah! I don't like this. Stop that. I don't like when it pops that up. Hold on. Hold on a sec. There we go, Big Daddy. KRY. I don't like all these pop-ups coming up too quick. I know what it was trying to do, get through a network, and I get nervous on that stuff. All right, it's got my address, 2.0 beta 03. This is my USB device, 30 gigabytes, just verifying it. And now we're ready to flash it. You guys ready? I'm ready. All right. 3, 2, 1. Flash. Downloading. This is like Christmas. It's so exciting. I don't know what's gonna happen. It's gonna boot up and not work. All right. Oh, what are we doing? Something else is downloading. All right. What is this? All data on the selected device will be lost. Okay. There's nothing on it. Are we done? Are we waiting? Or what is... There we go. You got to be patient. I would just get up and walk away because it's so easy to click on crap and screw it up and waste another 20 minutes of your day. So I'm trying not to touch the mouse. Just sitting there, 3%. So how's everybody doing? We're just going to wait for this to flash. Doing good? All right. It's December 2nd. Getting ready for Christmas. Try not to spend too much money. I don't know. Seems like this economy is about ready to collapse. The housing listings are out like up 5%, but the number of sales are down 30%. So it's more supply in the market across the country than demand. So it's a buyer's market, but you got 8% mortgage rates. So there's an indication this, I don't know, could collapse. And then also people with credit card debt have maximized their credit card debt, and they'll just never get out of it at 20% interest and fees. It's not looking good, man. It is not looking good. And also the other scary part is commercial real estate. The buildings stay there, but the people change or leave. And with all this remote work, people aren't even going back to the buildings. Companies are begging you to come back so they can justify the occupancy of the building, but retailers and that, people just aren't going to stores anymore. It's just, I hate going to stores. I hate going to the big box stores, even Home Depot. I wait until like an hour before they close, when it's not even busy and it's a little more or less hectic, and then you go to the self checkout if you can, just so you don't have to deal with the people. But yeah, I hate going to the big box stores. All right, 28%. So yeah, I don't know. I think other than the positive news and maybe Bitcoin keep going up, Bitcoin keeps going up. There's not much positive. And also now you got all these layoffs. Silicon Valley, for example, sets a kind of a barometer for the tech world. Maybe not the defense contractor world, because there's always money there, because the U.S. is the great industrial war complex. We live off war. That's what we're created for. It is a warring nation. So if you're a defense contractor, software, mechanical, hands-on stuff, you're all right. As long as they keep genning up these wars, you're going to be fine. But the tech sector, Silicon Valley type techies, most of those guys are HB1 visa dudes, so they're probably going to get kicked out of the country. But then they'll just come back to the southern border. I don't know how that works, right? But those companies are laying off. Those are 200,000 plus salaries. Even in San Francisco, that's not that much money. But now you don't have those people spending money, so it's going to start trickling through the economy. Yeah, I would just start hoarding cash, have multiple bank accounts, because a lot of there's a lot of cyber attacks lately where you can't get into your credit union account, you can't transfer money. It's almost like it's just exponential now. People hacking into banks, and you can't get your money out. So you should have at least, man, I think I have 3 different banks. 1, 2, 3. I think I have 3 different banks. Yeah, that's probably not enough. Even credit unions, which are generally secure, they've been seeing hits too. I think one got hit in California, and people just couldn't log in and get to access to their money, which is very, very scary, man. All right, 58%. I didn't know it was going to take this long, but we are right now flashing a USB drive. Pretty magical, pretty amazing. And once that little bastard's flashed, we can reboot this rig, keep the USB stick in this slot, and hopefully it'll boot up from this guy. If not, I might have to go in and tweak the BIOS settings so it boots from the USB. I don't want to do that. God, I hope I don't have to do that because that means I have to slap a... Oh, yeah. Wait. Yeah, I got to slap a video card on that rig. I don't want to do that. That's too much work. This is supposed to be easy. Not really. Oh, let's go to Coin360. There's the NiceHash logo. All right, hang on. Race fans, Coin360. You guys should have this bookmarked. Mine's in there somewhere. I don't know. I just type it. Woo! Look at that. Old Binance. Oh my God. You want to use my cookies. Litecoin's up to 71.9. Bitcoin 38.8. ETH holding at 2,097. All right, let's go to the Bitcoin Greed and Fear Index. It was 72 yesterday. 72, 74 to 72. Oh, it went back up to 74. Greed is good. Today was Friday, and I think we had some news off the top of my little heady here. Let me see. Oops. CleanSpark. There's a company, CleanSpark. They mined. Oh my God! They actually mined 666. Not a good sign. Oh, that kind of makes me nervous. Bitcoin in November. They sold 402 Bitcoin for 14.7 million. Interesting. All right, gauging spot Bitcoin ETF's impact on price volatility. They're gauging the spot Bitcoin. Yeah, I think that ETF stuff is that's what's making this go up. There's nothing else. The Bitcoin bull run has begun, the Ledger CEO says. Ledger is the hard storage people. I think those are even hacked. So you just not safe anywhere to put your crypto almost. MicroStrategy, they buy 600 million of Bitcoin in November, the most in over 2 years. This guy is like, he's all in, man. This I forgot his name. He is all in, the MicroStrategy guy, owner. Blah, blah, blah. All right, let's go back. Oh, you're still looking at the same screen. I was looking at a different screen. Let's go look at 9. All right, 73%. Yeah, I'm watching a lot on housing market lately. And a lot of stuff on, do you pay your house down? And do you just don't? You carry the most? And in the end, it's almost like, do not ever prepay or pay your house down or get a 15 year. Just get the 30-year that you can, whatever you can. And just, so what? If you get a 15-year, the amount of interest you pay, whether you have a 15-year mortgage or a 30-year, is the same. The numbers don't lie. It's all a game that banks play. And the secret is the banks make money off giving you a loan and getting that money back. If they get the loan repaid, they can then farm out that money to someone else. And the government, I think, gives them $3 to $4, it's like 3 to 1 or 4 to $1 they get. So the longer you hold your mortgage and the more you owe, the better you are. And a guy made a we're at 78%. The guy made a good example. Say you have a neighbor, you both have the same value in the house, $1 million. You've been a good little squirrel going out there, good little busy bee, bzz, 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 trying to do the right thing, which is never the right thing. You got to learn to play the game. Doing what's right is not always the smartest thing. There's a game out there. So you pay down your principal from, you both had, whatever, you're down to $100,000 left on what you owe the bank of $1 million house. Timmy, your next door neighbor, he's been he's been just paying interest. He hasn't been prepaying anything. Took the max out he could get. He is in deep in this house. All right, fast forward a week or two, you both lose your jobs. What do you think is going to happen? Well, your house, you only owe $100,000 on. The bank doesn't give a crap. They're going to kick your ass out. They're going to see that they can easily recoup their money because they only have to sell that house for $100K to recoup your money, even though the house is worth $1 million, right, on the market. So they're going to kick your ass out. You're going to, oh, please, Mr. Banker, please keep me in my house. They don't care. They're going to throw your ass out because they know they can just dump your house for $100K, clear the books, and then, boom, send out another loan. You're out in the street. Timmy, your neighbor, they're going to go to him and say, oh, man, of $1 million house, you still owe about $700,000 to us. What can we do to help you stay in the, what can we do to help you make the payments? What can we do so you stay in the house? Because to them, it's a lot of work and a lot of effort to try to sell that house to recoup their $700,000 or $800,000, whatever Timmy owes, versus the guy, you, that owes only $100K. It's an easier sale, quick and dirty, done, boom. Also, if you own your house, you are more likely a target to be have assets seized if something goes wrong or something like that. Well, there's a huge asset of $1 million house that's paid off. Oh my God! If something goes wrong or you miss a tax bill, the IRS comes and just takes your freaking house. If you have a car, say you have the $1 million house paid off, and you have a car, and you have a car payment of you have $40,000 in the car. Guess what? They're not going to take your car because why? It's just too much work to then go try to deal with the loan, sell it, and pay off the loan, the lien, and all that crap. It kind of opened my eyes. It's all like propaganda and all this BS American dream stuff they sell you growing up. Own a house. Oh my God, no. Hell no. And even if you own your house, you're still on property tax. You probably still want to keep insurance because if you have a fire or something happens, boom, there goes your $1 million. Boom. House is gone. And you're still left paying property tax and cleanup. You just don't walk away. What else? HOA fees if you have them. And say there's eminent domain. Say your house is so beautiful on a golf course, but they want to put a highway through there. Guess what? Eminent domain. You are still a peasant. You have no freedoms. They're going to just come take your house. All right, we're almost done here. I'm just ranting. Yeah, they'll come take your house because eminent domain, and boom, you're out. They might give you pennies on the dollar if that. Yeah, don't own a freaking house. You're better off maybe renting. And even when you own a house, you have a mortgage. You don't own that house. You're really renting from the bank. But you take all the liability. It's effed. I don't know who can afford a house now anyway. $1 million house is at 8.5. Oh my God, 30 years. Holy crap. You'll be mortgage poor. Oh my God, it's almost there. What else can I tell you? What else did I learn today? Oh yeah. I did the like I mentioned. I figured out. I don't know if it's the right way to do it, but it works, and nothing has blown up yet. I was messing with the voltage on the Ryzen 3900 using Ryzen Master. Seemed to have solved my temperature problem. I'm so glad because I did not want to take those puppies apart, slap some thermal paste on. It's just a mess. I hate that crap. You get fingerprints on everything. All right, I think we're done here. What is going to happen? What's going to happen? It says flash another. I want to say no. Am I ready? Or what's going to happen now? Does it tell me? You almost have to guess what's going to happen. Oh, look at that. So now it says no external USB flash drive detected because it flashed it as a NiceHash OS drive. So if I go look, USB drive E is there. Yeah, it doesn't know. So let's get out of here. And I stopped that. Did I stop that? I don't want to flash another. Blah, blah, blah. All right, let's just close this. Let's just close some crap out of here. And I'm going to try to reboot this. Oh, my God. This might be... Oh, shoot. I need to... Because it's going to come up as a... Not a Windows machine. It's going to come up NiceHash OS. I got to put a freaking GPU on it so I can see the display. Oh, my God. All right. I did not prep for that. Hold on. I'm just going to reboot it once, see what happens. Well, let's just shut it down. So what I do, quick way, Control-Alt-Delete. Shut it down. I'm going to stick a GPU on this guy, so stand by. You can watch my screen here. Whee! All right. Stand by. Talk amongst yourselves. HDMI cable. HDMI cable inserted. Keyboard and mouse. Drop it. All right, hold on. All right. I need a jumper to jump the. I need a jumper to jump the pins, and of course I lose it. What the? Where's my little? All right. All right, I'm booting up. Let's see if it boots from the USB drive. My thought is it might boot from the SATA drive, the STD. All right, there's the MSI. Oh, there it goes. You guys can't see it. All right, it's booting up in Linux. I'm in a NiceHash OS. Yeah, there is no way for me to show this to you. So it's booting up like a Linux Ubuntu. Bunch of text scrolling by. All right, I got the NiceHash OS logo. Oh my God, this might work. Sweet baby Jesus. Hold on. Let me get my mouse. Oh, there we go. Oh my God, it picked it right. Holy crap. It picked it right up. It came up with a little, it looks like this window right here you're looking at with my Ryzen 3900 12-core processor. It's got the Radeon 6600 XT. I'm not messing with that. It's benchmarking right now. Okay. Well, this might be easier than I thought. So then it even has at the top which OS version, which AMD version you're running. It has all the miners versions as well. G miner, XMRig 6.18.0. I'm going to use that one, I hope, unless they find a better one. Oh, we're in the benchmarking phase right now. It's got my mining address. It's got my rig ID. And eventually we should see this little bastard pop up over here. See number 9? It's red. So maybe, I don't know. Well, it doesn't know the name of this. So we'll probably get a new, when it fires up, we'll probably get a new name, a new rig name pop up here. It's probably going to be called 0-37 something. Pretty amazing. All right. All right, we're benchmarking. And it's benchmarking at 38 Celsius. The Radeon, I wish it wouldn't benchmark. It's at 52 Celsius. Core clock 2635 megahertz. Memory clock 2000. Load 73%. And the CPU load is only 3%. Yeah, I wish I could show you this, but it's not Windows. I can't. I don't have a... yeah, it's not running through my Mac. 39 minutes. Yeah, if I would have had a USB ready, it would have been probably 20 minutes so far. So not bad. You can get stood up in 30 minutes. Because I had to add the GPU, and that took me, what, a minute? Add a GPU, add a keyboard, add a mouse, put in the power supply. Hook the power supply up to the GPU, and actually jump it to start it. All right, come on. Come on, Big Daddy. Oh, I got 7 devices. See that? That's what happened. Here it is. See that? Do you guys see this right here? I don't know if you can see that. Is that even visible to you guys? Look at that. It showed up as rig name nothing. Rig name nothing. How do I name my rig? Oh, it started mining. Ugh. How do I stop the freaking Radeon from mining? No, wait. The CPU started mining. Oh, look at that. Do you see that? I don't know if you guys can see that. It's the first line. It says mining 42 Celsius. It's using excavator. I have no idea why. It's using excavator. And, oh, I can actually, good. I can command it from here. I can command it from the NiceHash dashboard, which is nice. I don't need to be on the NiceHash OS. Let's watch the temperature. 37 Celsius. This is odd. I was expecting this to shoot up to 84 Celsius, like it was without running Ryzen Master to lower the voltage. So very interesting. I'm not going to let this, once this is done benchmarking on the 6600 XT, I'm going to shut that down. I don't want, oh, there it goes. Crap, I don't want you to mind. All right, let's do this. How do I stop that? I'm going to go over to the slider. Disable this device only. Yes, you're toast. And it should update the display on the rig, on the NiceHash OS rig. It still says mining. This Monero one is still thinking. All right, now it says disabled. Okay, 6600 is disabled. Good. You get like make a penny a day on that puppy. All right, let's see what I can do here. Can I click on any of this stuff? I'm on the NiceHash OS rig right now. Device log. Can I do anything? What the hell's that? Oh, okay. They call it NiceHash M4. And you can click on the tab at the top center of your screen. It collapses everything. And then you see the NiceHash OS logo. You click it again and your display comes back. What is this? Oh, that's a terminal. I don't know what the hell that is. I'm not messing with that. I am looking for... There's no settings. Oh, it's got my IP address. That's a local IP address. Let's look at the device log. Okay, you can see the log. It's running. A lot of GPU errors I stopped that guy. Bin bash, what is that doing? That's the bash. AMD version. Okay. And there's that. NiceHash. Let's look at the application log. That's what I just looked at. I'm just waiting for a hash rate. It's running, again, it's mining random X Monero. Yeah. I'm kind of thinking, what can I do here? There's probably a manual. There's probably a RTFM. Oh my God. Oh, what's this? Oh, nothing. Oh my God. No, wait, wrong one. I thought it updated the hash rate. Oh. I got an error. Why? What did I do? What did I do? What did I break? Device log. Let's see. I'm looking for any errors. That's the GPU error. I don't care about that. All right, let's do this. Why did I get an error? Come on. Give me some data. Let's do this. How do I... Can I just stop? It's already stopped. Oh, look, you can go in, you can hit the three dots over here, the three dot menu, rig details, restart rig. You can actually connect to the rig. Auto update. Let's do a restart. This action will reboot your rig. Are you sure? Yes. Yes. All right. All right, there it goes, black screen. Big Daddy, come on, Big Daddy. I'm sure a lot of other people know what they're doing. I'm just kind of, I've done this like 2 years ago, and I don't remember it. It was actually harder before, because it asked you a lot of prompt questions when you boot it up. But now it just seems to do its best to go up and start running. I don't know why it turned it out. Oh, did I not set the options? It might be the excavator thing. That makes me curious. That could be it. I did not. Let's go check that out real quick while it's booting up. I don't know what it's doing. It's trying to start up. Process core dump. Running config, running NiceHash M4 is turning up the OS. Okay, good enough. Let it rip up. Let's go over here. Oh, there it goes. Come on, Big Daddy. All right, it's booting up. I'm going to go over to mining. Where's that manual? Flash tool. If in doubt, read the manual. You guys see that? You can read with me. Oh, I hope I don't have to pick the miners. I thought we'd just give them to me. All right, we did all this crap. Yeah, I did all this crap. I did that. Entry, yep. Additional settings is what may be. Here we go. Oh, that's where I could have set the worker name. All right. Oh, that's just that crap. All right, that's just, I thought. Click on the additional settings to expand the Flash tool view. Here you configure the worker name, Wi-Fi settings, or set up remote access. All right, it's mining. It doesn't. I don't want it to mine excavator. I want it to mine XM rig. Oh well. There we go. There's all that goody stuff. Blah blah blah. Flash. We got it flashed. Start mining. Make sure your rig is turned off. Yep. Plug in the flash USB port. NiceHOS will automatically set everything up for your login to your NiceHash account. Navigate to the mining section and click Rig Manager. Here you should see your mining rig running NiceHOS. Okay. Wait a minute. All right. We did that. Reconfigure the NiceHash OS USB key. Once the NiceHash USB key was successfully used in a rig, its file system will change slightly. The configuration JSON file will be split into two folders named miner. It's going to need a mining address, blah, 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 and the system. All right. Let's see. Mining address, worker name. Okay. No sweat. Yeah, okay. I know all this crap. All right. No problem. No problem optimizing. All right. It doesn't say anything about the miner. But, oh, got an error. Interesting. Well, I'm not having luck with it. I must have missed something. Hold on. Device log. Come on, Big Daddy. Where is this at? I'm not even able to get to the logs now. What the? Oh, I know you guys know what I screwed up. I just don't see it. Here we go again. It says it's mining, but it's not. It stopped. Oh, now it's just slow. All right, let's random X. Mining random X. There's nothing really about an error. It's excavator. I think excavator is the problem. How do I not make it run excavator? Blah, 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 blah. What's this? None doesn't help. I want options. I demand answers. So, oh, here we go. Jeez. Select miner. There's an option for it. Ah, here we go, Big Daddy. Oh, let's go disable, enable. All right, rig. Apply. All right, they're making it easier than I'm used to. I'm used to going into files on the command line and editing things. So select miners, version info, rename. Ooh, rig details. I don't know what I just did. Oh. Okay. It's benchmarking. Oh, let's go back. Hold on. I got too many windows open. All right, it's benchmarking with XM rig. So that worked. Let's see if it keeps running though. It's benchmarking. Temperature went up to 53 Celsius. Okay. Let's go see what else we can do. Version, rename. Can I rename it? Oh, there's my rig ID. Can I rename it? I'm going to rename it. Ooh, let's rename this to Rocco Taco. And this is going to be called, what the hell is it called? NiceHash OS. So again, it's like Hive OS's thing you download. I don't know. Hive OS is around yet, I guess. But I've used it a couple times. But I always enjoy doing it by hand. You learn a lot more than just counting up. But this is fun. NiceHash makes it easy because I don't want to spend too much time on this junk in config files and stuff. They kind of definitely got it refined. They must be making money then if they're paying engineers to keep this thing polished. Save it. Oh no! Must contain only A to Z and numbers. What the hell did I do wrong? Oh, it's too long. Rocco Taco. Alright, I can play that game. Look at that. Blammo. Alright, little bastard still running. 79% load, 56 Celsius. Are we still streaming? Yeah, alright. Wow, 52 minutes, baby. Goes quick when you're having fun. Alright, we're mining. Ooh. That's a horrible hash rate. What the hell? I'm so confused. Is that going to get better? I know I don't know what the hell I'm doing on this. 4.13 kilohash. Let's go back to my rigs. What was it called? Oh, it went to the bottom. All right. 3 watts of power, 57 Celsius. Well, maybe it'll go faster. I have no idea. I'm currently on the other rigs close to 12. Oh, that one's dead. I killed that one. 12 kilohash second, 1199. Temperatures are nominal. 12.112, 12.112, 12.12. Wow, this has got to go better. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Well, anyway, while it's thinking, that's how you do it. Go to NiceHash, you download the NiceHash OS flash installer, you have a USB stick ready, you flash onto that little bastard. You make sure you have a GPU or whatever. You really don't need it, actually. I didn't need to put the GPU on because it comes up on your dashboard on NiceHash, on the browser. So you just use that as your portal. You can actually put a shell into it as well if you want. So the extra step, I was just doing it to make sure it booted up because I didn't think it was going to boot up off the USB because I have a SATA drive with Windows on it as well. So that's good. I can take that damn GPU off and it won't chew as much power on the motherboard and load it down. I think it's heavy. Damn GPUs are heavy. We're still mining. 4.13 kilohash. Whoo! That hurts. I want my 12. Give me 8 more, Big Daddy. Come on. So pretty easy to get up running with OS, right? And then, like you said, you can have a Windows machine. You're playing your games on. Then if you want to do some mining, you pop in that USB, reboot it, boom. Now you're NiceHash OS mining. And I don't know. Let's check this stupid. Let's give it a minute. I want to see if this kilohash goes up. So it's kind of nice. It kind of keeps things separate, so you're not polluting your original system, whether it's a Mac or a Windows box, which is a nice plus. You let them do everything for you. Why did 13 slow down? Hold on. I'm just going to click around here for a minute. We're still mining, right? All right. He just stopped reporting. I'm probably screwing things up by doing something. 12.12. 9 is the one I replaced with the OS. 4.16. Something's... All right. Oh, that could be it. Rebenchmark. Let's see what happens. Again, I'm assuming everything you need to do with these rigs is on this menu right here. Is that right? I hope I did the right one. Is on this menu, right? Auto update, benchmark speeds, rebenchmark, mining time slots, select the miners, which I did, connect over SSH, systems up, restart, version, move to, blah, 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 rig details, good. It's benchmarking on the actual device, but it has not updated over here on the dashboard as of yet. That's one good thing of the GPU for troubleshooting and getting set up. Make sure things work, get used to how they are. A little bit of a latency time, but that's fine. I like that you can do everything from the dashboard. The main, yeah, your mining rig dashboard. How many? Oh, 57 minutes on this stream. Let's hope it is not going to stutter, man. OBS pissed me off. I think I configured it so much, customized it over the years, and then there it goes, it's benchmarking. Then Apple I updated the system, and of course when you update, stuff is not compatible and it breaks, and yeah, it's a nightmare. So the best thing is to whack it as best you can, remove all the files, and just reinstall a new version, and make sure it's matching to what is on your system. Like for Mac, it's Catalina or whatever, Leopard or whatever the stupid names they come up with. All right, it's benchmarking. Now it's mining again. Oh my God. Random X Monero 4.16. Come on, Big Daddy, get up there. Get up there to 12. XMRig is 6.18.0. Nothing else on the screen to give me any information. What's going on? Let's look on the device log. All right, new job. Is it not getting allocated? Yeah, 2,300 megabytes. Large pages, huge pages, which is good. That's a good sign. There's no errors about MSR headers or whatever. All right, let's keep going. It's on that. It's on that port. There's the memory, DDR4. Huh. Oh, wow. It's so cool. I mean, this may be the way to go if you also want to dive deep and to learn more about this shit, is you bring it up and you look at the command line, the logs of the running batch script miner of XMRig. And it's kind of neat. It just shows you everything. It shows you the memory, shows you the stratum, where it's pointed to. I'm at randomxmonero.auto.nicehash.com. Algorithm is rx/0, randomx Monero. Shows you the memory, the jobs coming through. There's the speed, 10, 60, 15. All right. Shows the jobs I accepted. Holy crap. Come on, man. So, I'm going to give it a minute. I don't want to spend any more time on this, because especially if I'm only getting 4.17 kilohash, I'm going to cry on my pillow. But I know there's a setting I'm not doing. I might do one more thing. Let's see. We did the benchmark. Let's see the speeds. Rig. I don't get it. I don't understand why. Do I have to set it? Watch this. Blammo. I'm going to fry it. Oh my God. I'm watching my logs over here. I just cranked it. It said, make the speed 12 megahash per second. Or wait, 12.0 kilohash per second. I probably just totally fried it. Let's see. No? I don't know what's going on. It's not doing much. Let's see, we're at 4.17 yet. I sent that over. I'm going to do one more re-benchmark, see if it works. Update finished successfully. I want to see if it actually updates. No. Oh, there it goes. Benchmarking. Doesn't show up on the dashboard, but on the on the display where I have hardwired to the rig, it's showing benchmarking. Let's just see what happens here. I mean, I manually set the freaking time. Woo! Ah! Hold on. Where's my log? Oh, let's see where I set it. I wish you guys could see this. It's kind of hardcore. It's just all system log files from XMRig. All right, there it goes. MicroStar MSI X470 Gaming Plus Max, running BIOS version MS-7 Bravo 7 9er. That's the one I just installed. No. That's not the rig I installed. It. That's a different rig. Sorry. It's the same letters, but there's a version. There's a dash, 2 letters, and that's what makes it the version, the 1-up version. So if you have an MSI motherboard, it's gonna be that MS- whatever and then dash version. It's usually 2 letters or letters and numbers. I'm looking for. Sorry, just chilling out here for a minute. It's got huge pages again. Good. Nope, it's just not. It's not giving me the juice, baby. I know somebody out there who's going to watch this is going to tell me exactly what I'm missing. I rebenched, I set it, hard-coded it, and I'm still getting 4.18 kilohash a second, and I should be getting close to 12. What is this? Let's do nothing. Nothing on that. I did that. Mining, I don't care about that. I did that. I don't need to connect, get notified, blah, 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 blah. Whatever. All right, let's stop. One more little thing. This is very bizarre. Restart. One more restart and we're going to end this puppy. Put it to sleep. But so it shows you how you can set up OS and get running. And just now you got to go the extra 10% and figure out, well, why am I not getting the hash rate I should? Yeah. Based on what I'm seeing on the menu, I'm not sure what I'm missing. Now I'm just going to do a restart. Exciting stuff, huh? But you can make good money. I mean, knowing this stuff and expanding it into either defense contractor doing software development or not so much the private guy. I'd be nervous now with private industry tech, like we said. Layoffs are going on big time. And I don't know. But with the defense stuff, you got to get a clearance. You got to deal with all that bullshit. And toxic government people and toxic contractors. But I guess it's the same anywhere. You got all these snowflakes in the public tech sector, or the private tech sector, which is, the Alphabet, Facebook, all that stuff. Maybe Twitter would be the place to be, but you got to work your ass off because they're making a difference now. They fired 80% of the propagandists that worked at Twitter. Now they found they only needed 20% people to run that company. The guys came in, his core developers came in, revamped that code, found all the nefarious propaganda algorithm stuff and censorship stuff, and just made it work better. Now they're gonna, with X.com, I think Twitter's gonna take over. Listen to his bio or his the book about Musk. I forgot what it was called. He didn't write it, but whatever they call it. Someone wrote it. The story of Musk. And when he was at PayPal, he wanted to call it X. He wanted to call it X and make it everything. All your financial needs online. So now he's got Twitter, and guess what? He calls it X now. Twitter's going to be huge, even though these retard banks are going to are banks. These stupid businesses are boycotting for stupidity because they're afraid of him. That's why they're doing it. But he's going to make Twitter and X. Twitter, he's going to make X everything, and everything's thing. He'll be printing money. He'll make it like a super PayPal. He's going to make it like YouTube, but better, and then probably put YouTube out of business. And yeah, it's coming. He's just, yeah, it's interesting. He'll run it all from Mars. All right, we're stopped. We're booting up. I don't know what's happening right now. Are we mining? Oh, let's hit it. Let's just do it, baby. Ready? Big money. Hit the green button. Ready? Hit it. Oh, it's gonna. Come on. All right, something's whacked. I'm missing something. I'm going to give it 1 minute, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to switch back to my old rig, the same rig, but with Windows. You guys already know it's not rocket science. All right, screw this. I'm not waiting around. I need to figure that out. I'll probably look at this tomorrow. It's late here, so let's stop this guy. Stop the mining, and can I just shut it down? Shut down rig, Big Daddy. Big Daddy, shut her down. Blammo. All right, let's shut this down. I am going to switch back to my Mac. Come on. All right, go back to my Mac. All right, stand by. All right. Take out this. Oh, I can do this in my sleep. Alright, I'm taking off this GPU because it's heavy and my motherboard is standing up vertically. Oh my God. I need to label that. I'm going to label that stick just so I know it's a NiceHash OS version. Label that somehow. All right, we are starting up. All I did was remove the GPU and I pulled out the USB stick from the USB port on the rig, and now this little bastard should hopefully come up with Windows, unless I totally screwed something up. So with my USB stick, the one I flashed, I'm gonna get a piece of tape and write on it and say NiceHash OS, because that took 30 minutes. You don't need to waste 30 minutes redoing the same thing over and over. All right. Come on, big money. That's wrong. I get rid of the 37 Ti. Look at that. Oh, you guys get to win here. All right. You guys get to win. Let's see, we got... What is happening right now? I can't get rid of this damn thing. All right. Hold on. Oh, that's... Close it. Oh, here. Yeah, get rid of this. Ignore all this crap. All right. So with my motherboard and running an AMD Ryzen, there is no integrated graphics. So it doesn't know what resolution to be at. So I'm remote desktoping in to this rig, which is Windows. And there's a little script you can get. And I have it set up. And I just it installs a bunch of drivers that make your remote display, as you remote into it, normal resolution, so you're not getting this little, Mac. What the hell are those things called? Mac Plus. Remember those little 6-inch screens? So here, I just run this little bash script. Blammo! It runs this device installer, and it's a UMB or something. I don't know. I can't remember exactly. Look, now I get a normal display. Yay! All right, let's go to NiceHash Miner. Let's see. I bet this fried my Ryzen master settings, and the way I'm going to be able to tell is if the temperature is 80 Celsius or something like that. All right. Come on, Big Daddy. Bring it up. Let's go. I need to get maybe get a silver Sharpie. That's what I should look for. A piece of tape. That way it won't ruin. I can change it. All right, let's do. Now here's all these. By going through this is kind of cool because you see all the crap I got to deal with. And there's probably easier ways to fix it. Boom, this stupid MSR mod. Again, all permissions are admin. I set everything up, but I still get that now and then. So what I do, it runs for a second. I pause it. Give it a sec to chill. Let the little, what do you call them? Neurons dissipate. Fire it up again. Blammo! Error it gone. I don't know what's going on here. Race condition or something like that. Who knows? All right, let's see what happens with temperature. I go over to devices. And then you can watch it. I don't know if you guys can even see any of this because it's, whatever. You get the gist of it. All right, let's wait a sec. 159 a day. I just want to see what the temp gets to. And then we'll check the hash rate. Hash rate looks good, 0.04. Better than 4.004, whatever. If the temp's high, I got to go into Ryzen Master. We'll just do it. We'll do it live. That's the beauty of this. Again, people probably have easier ways to do it. There's probably smarter ways to do it. I'm just figuring this out because I've been out of this for over a year since I stopped GPU mining. Regained my sanity. My house cooled down. My power bill went down. The noise in the house went down. The server room. I love CPUs. Small form factor, quiet. Oh, yep, I got to change that. Small form factor, quiet, and no heat. A little bit of heat, like a fraction of what the GPU's used to do. It's running at 74. Let's watch it. That's still a bit high than what it's been. All right, let's do it together again, guys. This is the workflow. Oh my God, where is it? All right, 74. Let's go to Ryzen Master. Basic view. It's on manual. It's at 1.1, 3600. I'm going to, just I don't want to fry anything or not, just want to be very delicate with these CPUs. Pause it. Kill it. I'm just going to do another apply and test because by me flipping back and forth, I don't know what state the CPU is in by running NiceHash OS. I don't know. Let's do an apply and test. Say OK. It's going to run through this settings I have in manual mode to make sure the Ryzen CPU profile is good to be saved. Otherwise, it would barf and it would reboot, I think, and say, no, don't like those. We're going back to default. So, which is good. Kind of a little fail-safe, little safety in there. I'm out of juice. Oh, no, I'm not. Dear God, just look at that, 1 hour and 14 minutes. You see how much time this takes just trying new stuff, but that's how you learn. So I mean, this is now you learn new things, you play with stuff. Try not to break things because then that gets expensive if you want to replace our CPU. I don't even know if you can get these things now. People are freaking out, they're probably buying them for top dollar. I don't know. I'm staying out of that mess. Man, when the GPU craze is going, my God, I was getting boxes delivered by Amazon and Newegg and what's it, Walmart, what are the other shit stores? Yeah, it was crazy time. All right, it accepted it. No errors, no warnings. NiceHash miner. Blammo. All right, please don't benchmark, please don't benchmark. All right, let's try it. It's going to get MSR. Yep. Give it a sec. Here's my routine. I mean, what do you know? I don't know. There's probably a better way. I did set permissions on XMRig and NMH and all that crap, but oh well. Here we go. Now it's coming back. Everything's happy. and go to devices. I'm gonna quit out of this. I don't know running Ryzen Master when other stuff is running is good. I mean, it's a monitor tool, so it shouldn't be bad. But we can look at the temperature as well. 53 up here. I don't know if you can see that. I'm up in the upper right with my little, see my little mousey moving? Mouse pointer. 54. I will leave it up for a minute. All right, it's mining. 55. All right. And I noticed that too with Ryzen Master. Sometimes you reboot and stuff, it might lose the previous settings, custom settings you used or set up in Ryzen Master. So you might have to reapply and test them to have them kicked in. And for me now, the temperature is the dead giveaway. And everything's been stable. So, I mean, I'm running at 1.1, 3600. It's been stable till I killed it to play with this NiceHash OS. Everything's been running for like 8 hours, no issues. And the room's cooler because I'm not frying them at 85 Celsius. 55.79. All right, looks like things are good. Temperature's good, 144, that's about right. We are back, and again, all I had to do was pull out that NiceHash OS memory stick, reboot, and make sure my Ryzen settings were good. I'm gonna kill this. Yes. And that is it. I hope that was useful to somebody, and I know there is one outlying issue, which I'll get to tomorrow, is what do I need to do running NiceHash OS to make the kilohash higher than 4.1, so it's only getting 30%. I mean, a third of what it should, right? We got to get up to 12, so there's probably a setting I'm missing, or when I flashed it, maybe not, I don't know. Looking good, looking good. If we go back to the dashboard, you'll see 9's back up and running, 11's a little low, but it'll come up. All right, everything's looking good, and what you can do here, this is my old one. I don't really want this turd around, so what I do is click on the 3 dots, remove that rig, and yes, delete that rig. Because I want to just have the ones that are actually, I know of. This was just a play one. Oh, watch me break it. But that's fun of recording all this crap. If you screw up, yeah, you kind of show everybody you screwed up. Next, I'll put tape on this stick, and I'm calling it quits. All right, I'm just waiting for this to delete. Oh, come on, Big Daddy. So everything's still running. And with my tabs up here, like I said, if any of the rigs go belly up with the new Ryzen Master settings, the tabs will tell me right away. It's like, boom. It's not going to have the rig name. It's just going to be remote access. So that's going to tell me that something didn't work. So far, so good. Everything's been stable. I was afraid messing with a voltage. I'm not a rocket scientist. I don't know what's going on inside of these things. And when you start messing with stuff that engineers designed on purpose, you might not be the smartest thing. Hey, I just removed that. What the hell? That should have went away. So who knows? I bet if I reload it, the page it'll be gone. 6 or 7, yes, whatever. 8 is because I had a GPU on there. So it's really 6 of 6. If I refresh this page and log back and whatever, it's going to be 6.6. All right, so there you have it. What was the 9? Yeah, 9's about 1108. It's coming back. It probably didn't like going into that Linux or that NiceHash OS mode. Who knows? Let's see. I'll watch it. If it stays in the low 11s, I might just run a new benchmark and then restart it. That's what I'll do. Maybe set up, rerun the benchmark speeds, clear out the speeds, and all you do here is go over to benchmark, expand, blammo. Come on, man. Come on, man. Where's the little pop-up? Oh my God, there's supposed to be a little pop-up here. Where are you, little pop-up? It's not playing right now. Anyway, you get a pop-up here that says clear speeds, boom, then you can re-benchmark and then knock yourself silly. So it's 10.865. Yeah, I'm going to re-benchmark that. I'll probably have to restart this again. It's just not cooperating. Screw it. Let's do it. Kill it. And NiceHash. NiceHash. Not nice ass, but NiceHash. All right, let's do it. Oh, I bet I couldn't clear the speeds because the stupid thing was mining. Dummy. See? The software protects you from yourself. Benchmark. Watch this. Blammo. Clear all speeds. Yes. And then expand. I do not want excavator. That causes me errors. And I'm just going to hit start. Sit back. And then we'll fire it up. Oh my gosh. Holy my gosh. Oh my god. Hey, I did a video. I got this headlamp. LED rechargeable headlamp. Lots of modes on it from it's a Husky from Home Depot. The thing's awesome, man. Keeps your hands free if you need light. If you're doing anything, even with the computer, the rigs, or working on your car, working on a boat, working on your house, put the frickin' headlamp on. It's magic. And then guess what you got to do? If it starts draining, just plug it in a USB-C charger. You're good to go. None of this buying these damn disposable batteries, which cost like $20 for a battery. It's stupid. Whatever. AAA's. All right, let's kill this. So yeah, go check it out, man. Get a LED rechargeable headlamp for your head. All right, I'm gonna pause that because I got the dreaded MSR mod. There, it's gone. Yep, there we go. Spinning up. All right, mining. It might be 11.428. I just want to see the temperature. Yeah, it's 0.04. Anything 0.04 is good to me. That means it's above 11. $1.62. That's still kind of amazing to see that on a CPU rig. But that's how Bitcoin mining started. It started with CPUs. Now we've gone full circle. Full circle. Oh, come on, give me a temperature and call it a day, baby. Oh, there we go. Fan speed 54 Celsius. I'm digging it. Used to say 84. I'm digging it. Until someone comments and says you're doing it all wrong. Then again, that's how you learn, right? That is how you learn. Sometimes when you get it to where you're happy with it, you don't try any more options because you're happy. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Or, you know, it's working. You're getting good hash rate. You're getting good temps. Let's just let it run for a little bit. And your mileage may vary on your rigs. Again, I've got my motherboard for what it is. Maybe that's part of the problem. I don't know. All right, 11.138. Let's go back to the dashboard. Boom. Yeah, 11.3, 11. All right, we're back. Yeah, re-benchmark if you're in doubt. And start making those pennies. Hey, good hobby. Not a way to, you know, pay for your mortgage or anything. But we'll see. We're at 105. We're making $13.53 a day on 6 rigs. Yeah, my electricity cost is 11 cents now. 11 cents per kilowatt hour. It used to be 18 back in the old COOF days when they were saying, oh my God, we're out of natural gas. Well, it's natural. Why are you out of it? And they just decided to crank everyone's rate up, the insane adjustment clause, 80%. And I think the goal is to destroy the middle class because people down here where I'm at live paycheck to paycheck. And you crank up an extra, say $500 on your utility bill. What the hell is wrong with you guys? Yeah, it's not good. Not good times we're in now. Not good times the past 3 years. Not good times at all. It's going to get, I don't know. We'll see. Just keep your eyes open, head on a swivel, you know, keep some money on hand, spread your money out across banks, keep some cash. Yeah, diversify as much as you can. And maybe if you're in some high-risk stocks, get the hell out of those. That's, again, not financial advice, but I'm just thinking in my brain, what would I do? I have some Tesla. It's down about 10%. I wish it would go up. And I just dumped the turd. Not a turd. I mean, it's a good company. They're just being beat up lately. Who's going to go buy a Cybertruck? Are you going to spend 60,000 plus on a truck? I mean, it's bad enough GM, Toyota, Dodge, Chevy, all these companies are charging 90,000 bucks for a pickup truck. Give me a freaking break. People aren't buying them. People have had enough. And it's like, no, screw this, man. I'll hold on to what I got. I mean, our Toyotas, mine's 2016. And we got another one, a 20... Oh, my God. Is it a 2012? Yeah. We managed... Toyotas last. It's worth paying the money for them. All right, guys. I'm out. Let's head out of this. We did a little experiment tonight. Almost a total success, but we got to get the hash rate up when we're running NiceHash OS. And that's the only thing I'll be looking at tomorrow. Anyway, thanks for riding along. Thanks for hanging in there. Yeah, this is fun stuff. Treat it as a hobby. That's my thing. I'm not Bitcoin Ben. I'm not Jack Posevich. Remember about a year and a half ago, they're all Bitcoin to 100,000. All these. It was almost a grift. I'm so sick of it. It's like, are these guys? They're actually. It's not fair because people are going to fall for it and start buying Bitcoin at $60,000 when it was at 60K. They got to stop that crap. I'm being realistic. Treat it as a hobby. If you're going to buy Bitcoin, buy it through a exchange. You can get through Fidelity now. Just dollar cost, average in. Don't put in any more than you're willing to lose because it will go to zero or it can go to zero. And make it at least less than 10% of your total investment portfolio. Don't be stupid. Yeah. All right, I'm out. Guys, thanks a lot. This was fun. I learned a lot, and I was amazed we got that far. Yeah. All right, take care. Stop and stream right now. And let's hope this does not hiccup. Oh, my God. If it hiccups like I just did, if it hiccups OBS software, I'll be upset. Then I'm just going to go back to the iPhone. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Out. Oh, thumbs up, share, subscribe, whatever.